So the weather was nice. It started raining. And I said, okay, good. It started raining. Let me go put some clothes on real quick. Run outside while the weather is nice. And finish up my yard. I get to the door. And it's pouring. But as you can see, this is my yard. My back patio. My scooter's under there. I just have a lot of stuff from projects and everything. We started yesterday. We cleaned a few things off the patio. But you can see some of the projects. I used to have 3 garden beds back there. And I took them up because I had a very serious groundhog problem. And I had cucumber beetles. Zucchini cucumber beetles or something like that. So that was an issue. So I took those up. But we didn't get the last of the dirt up. I built that fire pit. Redid my grill. So it used to really look nice. You see I had a little bit of ornaments, but this is what it looks like now. So the real issue is I had someone stealing things out of my front yard, which is why a lot of the lawn ornaments wound up back here with no actual place to go. Someone stole I had a nice light up, it looked like wine bottles, different color wine bottles hanging, and they were all different colors, and they lit up beautiful. One day I came home, it was gone. I had bought a shepherd's hook, hung it on a shepherd's hook, and it looked amazing. Someone stole it. I took all my stuff out of the front yard and put it in my backyard. But then getting to T'Challa a couple months ago, he started destroying everything in the backyard. Now, I had a nice little zen garden where the bicycles are right now. If you can see that right there on the left, those are bicycles. I have 3 bikes under there, and one of the boys from the neighborhood, his bike is under there right now because I took him home yesterday since it was raining so hard. But right there in that spot used to be a very nice zen garden. I had sand, I had rocks, little mini water bowl. It was just beautiful. Different kinds of flowers, a lotus, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of things. T'Challa ate every single thing. I had a cactus over there and he ate it. He don't play no games. So I'm going to go back to putting things in the front. That's what I'm going to have to do. Even this stuff over here, the reason why it's moved the way that it is, like if you look where you see the green and the white ball, they're sitting right next to each other. It makes no sense aesthetically, but I needed somewhere to put it because that's when I brought everything from the back to the front. But there were other little things out here that T'Challa ate. I had little light up butterflies, dragonflies, all kinds of things. He destroyed them, ate them. So I need to T'Challa proof the backyard, get rid of some weeds, and I wanted to mow my lawn today. You think it's gonna happen? Now, the weather says that it's supposed to start raining around 1. So, we'll see. But I'm dressed. I'm ready. I was so ready. But it's okay because I do have plenty of other things to do. I have some editing, some recording, and I have to do some stuff for the store. So, it is what it is. Hopefully, I'll be back out here today. If it slows down, I'm going back out here. As long as it's not raining like this. If it's sprinkling, I'll deal with that. But right now, I'm going to get soaked in 2.5 seconds. The sun came out. It's 12 o'clock. I'm getting dressed. I'm going right back outside. So, it finally started raining. But the thing with trees is, when you're surrounded by a lot of trees like I am, when the wind blows, it's still raining. So, I'm about to get out here. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's so much back here. But T'Challa about to help me, so I ain't even worried. Actually, a couple of my boys from the neighborhood, some of my young entrepreneurs, they're coming later on to help me. I told them if it was pouring down raining, don't worry about it. But they're like, we don't care. We'll work in the rain. So, after they get out of camp, they'll be over here. I got 5 things done, and it started raining again. The best part about having kids in your life is that they want to help. Like, literally. It's 4 kids that came over my house today. Like, can I help? Can I help? Can I help? Ashley, can I help? Miss Ashley, can I help? Yes, I just got another call. You in the yard? Yup. Can I come help? Of course you can. Oh, they wanted some water, some juice, some snacks. I'll easily get that to them, and I'm gonna give them some money. And 2 of my boys talk about they want to start businesses because they see me work with some of the other kids in the neighborhood, and so they ready. I'm like, listen, yes. And so for me, you don't get money. If you want to do a startup business, you have to put in sweat equity. So you have to work for me for 4 hours, and every hour is worth $10. So however many hours that you work, that's how much money you're gonna get. Straight like that. It's coming along. We've been working for hours. The kids helped in their own wonderful special way, but of course I did 90% of the work, which is cool because that's what I expected to do. It got hot, the sun came out, and I'm not complaining because it didn't rain for the whole day like they originally predicted. I'm gonna show you what I have done so far. So a lot of weeds got pulled, rocks got moved, all the front yard ornaments got moved back to the front, bike is moved over there, all of the bricks are gone, and they are now over here. I decided to build a deck. We're about to cut the front, cut the back. Yep, I still had something to do over there, but not today. Work in progress. Put some rocks around here, pulled all the weeds. It was a lot. It might not look like a lot, but you see this? Sweat equity. This is the yard. We still got a long way to go. This is the back. This is the part that really gets seen, but this is what it looks like in the front. I'm gonna make a pallet deck right here. Coming so far. It's coming along. Backyard back. You see these boys? Telling you, sweat equity. You want to start a business, you have no capital, that's okay. Sweat equity will do the job every time. So I'm basically done. Look at the backyard. It looks, hey Miara, it looks pretty amazing. Thank you, little mama. So this is the work we've done. Yes, Anthony's muscles. Kwame's muscles.
Kwame's got marshmallows.
Weeds gone. Grass is cut. Weeds pulled. Rocks set in place. Still got to deal with that, but I'll do that later. Fire pit, we lighting that tonight. I laid these out because I'm going to create a deck to put a gazebo on. And the hammock, that's the hammock stand. But, yep, here we go. There's a pile of dirt right there, but I'm not worried. I'm going to go get that bucket. But, here we go. All the weeds are gone. A little bit of raking, we'll be in the money. This is what work looked like for them most of the day. So I'm gathering up the few little tools that I have left to gather up, but it's been an all-day project. I'm still not done because I want to create my gazebo. But well, I have a tent already. I just need to create a deck for it. That'll be fun. I'll probably go buy some stuff for that in a week or two. But yeah, we lighting that fire pit tonight. I don't know what we having, but we're gonna have a few little beverages. Maybe some s'mores since I got some churins over here. I don't know, but we chilling. We chilling all day. DIY backyard landscape.